Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This time it's an iPhone 10, not any of the new ones. So not the iPhone XS or XR or XS Max. This is the iPhone 10, iPhone X, the one that came with the iPhone 8. And today I shall be doing an unboxing. This was also bought from Mazuma. So like I said, it's cheaper to buy from Mazuma because you still get a 1-year warranty and you get a phone that looks fairly new, which I think it's a good advice. But anyways, I'm going to carry on with your unboxing and show you what you get in your box. I've done a previous video of the iPhone 7 Plus that I got a few months ago, and today is iPhone X. So I shall carry on with the unboxing. Let's rip this open. I'm going to show you how it looks. Sometimes some people always have doubts about buying already used item online. It says refurbished anyway. Some say refurbished, some say used. There is the Mazuma box it comes in. Nice shiny red iPhone, and that's the Mazuma robot over there. And let's rip this open. Good. It's a very nice box, I must say. Look at that. Look. And then take this open. Oof. Get excited. This actually looks like a much more better box compared to the iPhone 7 Plus I got before. So just open this up here. What you get here. And by the way, this phone was is £555 if you're in the UK. That's how much it costs. I don't know what's in here. It's just meant to be a phone, but there's a lot of cool stuff in it. But all right, let's open here first. What's here? So here we actually have the phone, the iPhone 10. Look at it. There's barely any. In fact, I can't even find any scratch. Maybe a tiny scuff here. I can't find anything. But I mean, it looks almost as new, and it probably works just as well as the brand new one. And so if someone asks me, I'll just tell you, you might as well just get the second-hand one from probably Mazuma and Envirophone. I don't know, but I mostly go for Mazuma anyways because they've got good deals. The phones always look good, and they don't cost as much. But anyways, here is, I don't know what's in this box, but we shall find out now. So you have your Mazuma charging brick. You have the American styled one, so you get an adapter with it, and you have your oh yeah, you get your adapter. Let's see what you got in there. Let's open this up. So it's different pins. So you get travel plug, which is, oh, that's very good. So travel plug here. That's where it goes. That's there. And if you're in UK, you're most likely going to be using this one more often. But you've got all options anyways. You've got a travel plug, and here you've got your charging cable. There you go. There you have it. And you also have, it's a universal charging cable, so you can charge your Android, your old USB port, and then you've got USB Type-C, and you've got the lightning cable for iPhone over here. And there you have it. It's the phone. Let me see if it comes on. Actually, I'm not going to put any details in, but let's gonna see. So there you have it. There's the phone unboxed. Pretty good. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. And of course, I'm going to put a link to my app there. So feel free to support me by downloading my app. That's all I ask. There you go. It's the iPhone 10, and I've just turned it on. English. There you go. Anyways, thank you very much for watching my video. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.